Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Riemann sums look intimidating, but you can master them in 60 seconds. Let us break down this calculus problem step by step to find the answer. We recognize the limit of the sum as a Riemann integral. We identify the function f of x sub k and the width delta x, which is 1 over n. As k goes from 1 to n, the variable x sub k ranges from 0 to 1/2. This defines our interval of integration for the variable x, so watch closely. Substituting our variables into the function, we get 1 over 2 plus x over 2. Integrating from 0 to 1/2 matches our target expression. Boom, you got this result! Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sophie. Avoid the trap of wrong bounds and misreading x over 2 by applying the limit definition.